Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. I've got another news update for you guys. It is a little bit late, but I thought I'd get it out for you guys because it's a pretty big one, and it's something that we haven't seen maybe for a few weeks now. All to do with Bitcoin adoption, crypto adoption. Obviously, we went through like a stage of seeing it non-stop. Obviously started off in El Salvador, where they passed Bitcoin as a legal tender. And then we were getting news from Paraguay, Brazil, Argentina, Panama, and everyone else around that area in Central and South America. Basically talking about wanting to do similar things to what El Salvador done. One thing we were talking about was, would this cause some kind of domino effect for it to start happening in places such as USA, Africa, Europe, Asia? Is this something that we were going to start seeing happen very, very soon? And, to my surprise, I just came across a bit of news earlier today, which I wanted to get this video out for you guys, obviously, tonight. And it is due to more crypto adoption, basically. And it's actually Turkey. So as you can probably tell by the title anyway, so Turkey is ready to regulate crypto, and it can get more expensive for crypto companies to operate. So there's kind of two like stories in this headline, in this article. Of course, it is all to do with Turkey wanting to regulate crypto, but then it can be seen as the other side of it becoming more expensive and cause quite a few other issues for Turkey in that sense. So we'll take a quick look into it. So Turkey is ready to present its draft bill to regulate cryptocurrencies in the country as soon as October. Located at the junction where Europe and Asia intersect, people in Turkey have taken to cryptocurrency as a hedge against inflation. The new bill may make it considerably more expensive for companies to enter the crypto industry, with the government set to propose minimum capital requirements. Under their guise, the new legal framework will act as a barrier to entry for entrepreneurs. Carries on to say, however, adding protective measures like security clearances and collateralization will also help investors with safer investment in the crypto space. The new bill also defines different types of crypto assets. It designates the insurance and distribution of crypto assets, trading policies, and conditions of crypto custodial services, something that banks in South Korea are offering right now, according to a report by Cointelegraph Turkey. According to Turkey's Deputy Minister Ercan Gül, the country needs similar, more strict regulation for crypto assets than its counterparts in Western Europe or the US. So, yes, yes, it does. So obviously we've been getting so many news articles coming out regarding regulation with cryptocurrency, the way it is being handled, especially obviously with Binance. We've been getting so much news recently with Binance and regulations. And of course, we've been getting a lot of news coming out from like Hong Kong, Thailand, Germany. I keep going on about it, I know, but obviously it's very relevant because that's what they are referring to. But it seems like Turkey want to regulate cryptocurrency and they want to do it properly. So in the future, they do not want to be having any problems. The great thing is that at least in the future, they are seeing that cryptocurrency is the future. That technology of crypto will be taking Turkey forward. And this is huge because Turkey is a very, very big country. Okay. So it is a very, very big deal for them to be one of the first in Europe to basically make an announcement such as this one. So let's carry on reading. So how does a bill become a law in Turkey? The Turkish Ministry of Treasury and Finance has announced a draft bill that will be proposed to the Grand National Assembly of Turkey, or the GNAT, the country's only legislative body, in 2 months. In Turkey, bills are presented to the GNAT, which are then passed on to the president for approval. The president can send a bill back to the GNAT if he's not convinced with its efficiency. So according to Gül, the finished draft of Turkey's bill is meant to protect retail investors and deter money laundering through cryptocurrency, a concern that many central banks around the world have cited, including the US Fed and the Reserve Bank of India. And that's also what we've been seeing with banks such as Barclays, Santander, and pretty much everyone else in the UK. One of the main reasons why they are blocking deposits and withdrawals and everything else in the UK is because of money laundering. And, recently we had news, again, I'll say again, we have had news that a woman, 38 years old, in the UK had 175 million pounds worth of crypto seized. And then just a week or two before that, another person in the UK had 115 million pounds of crypto seized, all due to money laundering. So as you can see, it's very common and it's very easy to do using crypto exchanges and crypto to launder money, right? So it is something that does need to be stopped, and it's something that needs to be regulated. So understandably, that is the routes that Turkey would like to be going down. So things are going to get tougher for crypto businesses in Turkey. So this is like the other side of the story. The bill shouldn't come as a surprise to traders, though. Given that Turkey's central bank had already banned crypto payments back in April this year, payment service providers will not be able to develop business models in a way that crypto assets are used directly or indirectly in the provision of payment services and electronic money assurance. And you will not provide any services, the bank said in a statement. Their use in payments may cause non-recoverable losses for the parties to the transactions and include elements that may undermine the confidence in methods and instruments used currently in payments, it added. The Turkish Capital Markets Board, SPK, will be tasked with overseeing crypto asset companies in the country, according to the Cointelegraph, which doesn't exactly tell us what kind of companies will come under the board's purview. The SPK is a regulatory and supervisory agency appointed under the Turkish Ministry of Finance, so it's possible that it will regulate both crypto exchanges and blockchain startups. So that's actually pretty good. Further, the country will also set capital requirements for crypto businesses to operate, which could make it much more difficult to run such operations. The new legal framework would put several protective measures, such as security clearance and collateralizing, in place, the reports have said. For the most part, Turkey's crypto regulations seem to be headed in the way that many expected since April's ban on crypto payments. The country is evidently trying to put barriers on crypto trading and assets while still leaving avenues open for development in the blockchain space. So, as I said at the beginning, you can kind of look at this from two stories. Number one, back in April, they did want to ban crypto payments. But then number two, they would like to regulate crypto and obviously start using such things such as the blockchain to better themselves. So, what they're trying to do is it's just very weird. So it is very good news that they are moving this way, but is it amazing news for actual retail investors in Turkey? I don't know. I know that a lot of Turkish people love crypto. I'm Turkish Cypriot myself. Obviously, I live in the UK though, but I see so many influencers that are Turkish from Turkey, like on crypto Twitter, for example, and they love their cryptocurrency there. So it'll be good to see if they have a view or opinion on exactly what's going on. So if you are Turkish and you're from Turkey and you have an opinion, please do leave your opinion down below in the comments. I'd love to read them. Otherwise, I hope you have enjoyed this video and all of the updates I've done today. If you have, please do leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and join a Discord as well. We are growing a great community over there. The link to that is in the description below, and make sure your notifications are turned on by clicking the bell icon. And then otherwise, guys, I hope you have a very good evening, and I'll speak to you guys very, very soon. Take it easy.